This young man that you are seeing is like he too is a lawyer also, but he is doing content creator. I don't know. He asked this woman a question if she will allow her son to marry under the act, which is court marriage, or not. I want you to listen to her response. Then after this, there is another person he also asked question. We are going to listen direct from other people because of music on the background. That's why I'm using voiceover. This man asked this woman now, if he happened to have a male child, will she advise her male child to marry under the act, which is court marriage? The lady said no. The woman said no, that her son's future need to be protected. He now asked her question again. If you happen to have a daughter, will you advise her to marry under the act, which is court marriage also? She said yes. Her daughter's future need to be protected. Anyway, let's go to the other people before we come to conclusion. Then he meets another person and ask her similar question. If your male client seek for your opinion or the best marriage that you have to do, what are you going to advise the person? Anyway, let's listen intelligent response from the lady also. Then wait for the third person. Then we are going to come in conclusion. Then the first person that says something here, don't judge her yet, because some people already judging the lady, but she's indirectly telling you that court marriage is beneficial for women only more than men. Anyway, let's listen to this second person.
If your male client seek your opinion on the best form of marriage, court or traditional marriage, which one will you advise him? Male client, please.
Okay, depending on my client.
Okay.
And what my client wants. If my client is someone that, wants to have side chicks and wants to play around while married, I will advise him, you don't need court marriage. What you need is customary marriage. Yes, that's one.
Okay.
Two, if my client does not want to go through the rigorous process of divorce when my client is married, I also advise my client that what you need is customary marriage. You don't need court marriage. That's the second one. Yes. And thirdly, if my client knows that one wife is not enough for him, that he wants to marry like 2, 3, like the Bayelsa men and the rest of it, yes, I will advise my client that what you need is customary marriage and not court marriage. So depend on my client.
Okay, we have another question for you.
Okay.
Sorry. What if this male client wants to get married to you? What will your answer remain the same?
No, my answer will not remain the same.
Okay.
Now let's listen to the third person, and this one is now a man. What is going to say about court marriage? Then after that, we are going to come in conclusion. But don't forget to share the video. Let other people learn, because me too, I learned a lot from this video.
Do you think court marriage, that is the marriage under the act, is more beneficial to women than men?
Okay, I think it's more beneficial to women because apart from guaranteeing their rights, it limits the man under the law from marrying more than one wife, because if he does that, he would have committed the offense of bigamy and be liable to imprisonment for 5 years.
Okay, we have another question for you. Are you married?
No.
Are you going to marry under the act?
In this part of the world, in Africa, they are giving the leverage to marry more than one wife or have more than one woman, because it's in the nature of African men to
are you
have
going,
more than one.
Okay, so
woman.
Will you marry under the act? Will you marry under the act as a lawyer? Will you marry under the act?
No, that it has
to
be.
Answer our question. Will you marry under the act?
It has to be.
Watching this video, I want to ask you a question. I want to also communicate in the comment section. As a man, first of all, will you like to engage, let me say in Africa, let's not talk about other foreign country or European, US, American, no. Because that one, the normal marriage is a court marriage and other things, legal marriage. Now, for African, you watching this video right now, will you as a man, will you like to do court marriage or customary marriage? Which one will you like? For those of you that don't understand what customary marriage is, just like a traditional marriage, normal marriage, you understand? Will you like to do customary marriage or court marriage? For guys out there. Then for ladies, I don't need to ask you if you like to do court marriage, because female are more beneficial for court marriage. So no need of asking you, but I'll still ask you, will you prefer court marriage over customary marriage? Let me see your opinion in the comment section. Now, as a mother watching this video, if you happen to have a son, will you advise your son to go for court marriage or customary marriage? Then, if you happen to have a daughter as well, will you advise your daughter to go for court marriage or customary marriage? Can you tell me the reason why you prefer your daughter going to court marriage instead of though before court marriage you must do customary marriage? Let me see you guys' opinion in the comment section. Do you think that these three people, that their answer is perfect, or there is someone that is answering the question maybe in gender, trying to protect their own gender? Let me see your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to share the video. A lot of people need to see the video and also learn from it. To be honest, court marriage is more beneficial to ladies. For me, I'm not interested. I don't know for you. Only abroad that make me today interested, which there is nothing.